The Army took a major step toward transforming how soldiers fuel their bodies and minds with the grand opening of Victory Fresh, a modern, chef-driven dining concept unveiled at Fort Lee. The ribbon-cutting ceremony brought together senior Army leaders, culinary experts, and service members eager to experience a new standard in military dining. Victory Fresh is part of the Army's broader initiative to modernize food service, offering fresh, customizable, and performance-focused meals designed to support readiness. The facility features open kitchen stations, expanded grab-and-go options, and menus developed in partnership with the Robert Irvine Foundation.
This is where we keep an eye on our soldiers, right here. It's where the walls come down, where we can see there's something happening in their lives, and trust forms, where stories get shared, where teams start to feel like teams. Good food, done right, is a part of how we win, not just how we live. Today's soldiers are here, and this place is for you guys.
The event also highlighted the Army's commitment to improving quality of life for soldiers, emphasizing that nutrition is a cornerstone of readiness and retention.
Today is about taking care of our soldiers, about our people. A healthy force is a ready force, and Victory Fresh is a giant leap forward in fueling our soldiers. We aren't just cutting this ribbon today. We're sending a clear message that we are committed to providing the very best fuel for their bodies, for our soldiers, directly supporting their readiness and the lethality of our force.
Following the ribbon-cutting ceremony, attendees toured the facility and sampled menu items ranging from high-protein bowls to globally inspired dishes. Soldiers praised the variety of freshness, noting that the new concept feels more like a modern campus dining hall than a traditional military defect.
I would say it's way better. There's a lot more options. It's definitely more like, at basic training we had like the same things every day, but here they give you multiple choices. And it makes you feel more, I wouldn't say normal, but normal.
Victory Fresh is expected to serve as a model for future Army dining modernization efforts, with additional locations planned across installations in the coming years. For the U.S. Army Combined Arms Support Command, I'm Ryan Sharp.